Day after Prime Minister Modi did take New Delhi by surprise by embarking on a massive cabinet reshuffle, the new team took charge in the capital today. Modi also met all the newly inducted ministers in parliament, but the spotlight was clearly on Smriti Irani, who was shunted out of the high-profile HRD ministry to the lesser important textiles department. Irani did try to put up a brave front and promised continuity in policy.
Corporate India's called a decisive one aimed at rewarding performers. However, India Inc. is disappointed at the move to shift Jayant Sinha out of North Block. The junior minister, though, did assume charge in the aviation ministry today. With this recast, Prime Minister Modi expects his new team to hit the ground running. But what are the hurdles that lie ahead, and what will it take for Modi 2.0 to deliver is our top story on India Tonight this Wednesday evening.
प्रधानमंत्री जी का सपना है कि टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री को एक बूस्ट मिले, जो उनके मार्गदर्शन और उनके नेतृत्व में जो नया टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री के लिए पैकेज घोषित हुआ है उसमें उसका संकेत है। मैं आभारी हूं कि जिस रोड मैप को उन्होंने राष्ट्र के सामने प्रस्तुत किया, उस रोड मैप को इम्प्लीमेंट करने की जिम्मेदारी मुझे दी गई है। मैं इतना ही कहूंगी कि आज मुझसे तथाकथित इतने सवालों पर जवाब मांगे जा रहे हैं, तो मुझे सिर्फ इतना ही कहना है, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना।
The whole team led by Modi, which we call Team India, is passionate and has brought a change in governance of the country. So everybody is working with passion and competence, and that's why. But as this HRD ministry requires the cabinet rank, and therefore I was promoted. After taking brief next week, after discussing with the Honorable Prime Minister, we will definitely come to you. But the main stress is quality of education, how to improve it, and that's our challenge, and that's what we will.
मुझे इस बात की और प्रसन्नता है कि मेरे साथ राज्य मंत्री के रूप में माननीय श्री पी चौधरी जी भी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। बहुत ही योग्य सीनियर एडवोकेट हैं, राजस्थान के सुप्रीम कोर्ट का भी अनुभव है, लॉ एंड जस्टिस कमेटी पार्लियामेंट में वो काम कर चुके हैं। तो हम दोनों मिलकर कानून विभाग को और आईटी और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स विभाग को प्रभावी तरीके से चलाएंगे, प्रधानमंत्री के अपेक्षाओं के अनुरूप।
My mission would be to enable various media units of the government emerge as credible brands serving the cause of the information of the people.
तारीख से मानसून सेशन शुरू होने वाला है और मानसून सेशन में हमें लगता है कई महत्वपूर्ण विधेयक जो भारत की अर्थनीति को और आगे लेके जाएगा, ऐसे विधेयकों को हमने पारित करवाएंगे।
Let's get your view from North Block then, where there was a significant shift there with Jayant Sinha moving out of Finance Ministry and Arjun Ram Meghwal and Santosh Kumar Gangwar taking charge, both as Ministers of State in the Finance Ministry. ET Now was the first to catch up with both the new joinees at the crucial Finance Ministry and began by asking them about the reforms that they intend to push in their stint in North Block and more importantly on the road ahead as far as the goods and services tax is concerned. Will it get through in this session, in the upcoming session of Parliament? Let's listen in to the two debutant ministers in North Block.
देखिए, जीएसटी हमारी सरकार की प्रायोरिटी है। हम चाहते हैं कि मानसून सत्र में वो पास हो और विपक्ष के साथियों से भी हमारा अनुरोध है कि जीएसटी बिल को पास होने दें, क्योंकि कंट्री की इकोनॉमी के लिए बहुत आवश्यक है। जहां तक मेरी प्राथमिकता का आपने प्रश्न किया है, जो इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ हो रही है कंट्री की, उसका लाभ जो अंतिम छोर पे बैठा व्यक्ति है, जो हमारे पंडित दीनदयाल जी की अवधारणा थी कि जो अंत्योदय है, अंतिम छोर में जो व्यक्ति बैठा है, उसको सरकार की योजनाओं का लाभ मिले, ये मेरी पहली प्राथमिकता है।
So apart from this, the business community will be looking. There's now you and your colleague, Mr. Gangwar, as well, were to MOS Finances. So has the FM decided on how the work allocation?
अभी तय नहीं किया, तय करने वाले हैं.
Apart from this, on the growth front, in the rural economy, that will be a major. Any major initiatives which you'll be looking to place in the rural economy to push?
हम 8 और 9 तारीख को विभाग का ब्रीफिंग लेने वाले हैं. उसके बाद डिटेल में बात करेंगे आपसे.
हम तो ये कहते हैं कांग्रेस खुलकर विरोध करे जीएसटी का, पर कांग्रेस विरोध नहीं कर रही है और केवल राजनीतिक तरीके से व्यवधान करने का काम कर रही है. पर मुझे लगता है कि इस आगामी सत्र के अंदर जीएसटी पास होगा और एक दुनिया के देशों को भी लग रहा है कि हिंदुस्तान एक अच्छे प्रकार से आगे बढ़ने का काम कर रहा है. तो जीएसटी के पास होने के बाद ही मुझे लगता है कि जैसा हमारा पूरा विश्वास जिस प्रकार की बातचीत चल रही है, निश्चित रूप से जीएसटी पास भी होगा और हमारा देश एक अच्छी दिशा में आगे बढ़ने का काम करेगा.
What kind of steps do you think should be taken या आप कैसे steps initiate करेंगे इन्फ्लेशन को कंट्रोल करने के लिए?
दुर्भाग्य है कि अगर प्याज की कीमत बढ़ जाए, अगर आलू की कीमत बढ़ जाए तो लोगों को लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा हाइट हो गई है, पर ऐसा नहीं है. आज विश्वास हम पैदा करने का काम कर रहे हैं और हमारा मानना यह है कि चंद चीज़ों की बात तो अलग है, नहीं तो देश के प्रति आम आदमी का भरोसा, आम आदमी का विश्वास है. और ये सब जानते हैं कि अगर दालें महंगी होती हैं तो उसकी क्या कारण है और हम उसकी योजना भी बना रहे हैं कि भाई दालों का उत्पादन पिछले वर्षों में हमारे देश में कम हो गया. स्वाभाविक रेट बढ़ना एक लगता है कि ऐसा हो सकता है, पर मुझे लगता है कि जो नीति हम लोग बना रहे हैं आने वाले समय में इसका परिणाम समझ में आएगा. और जो कुछ चंद आइटम्स को लेकर, कमोडिटीज़ को लेकर लोग जो बात करते हैं कि इन्फ्लेशन बहुत भारी हो गया, जो हो गया, वैसा नहीं होगा. लोगों का भारत के प्रति विश्वास, श्री मोदी जी के प्रति विश्वास, लोगों का मानना यह है कि हम अच्छी दिशा में अच्छे प्रकार से काम कर रहे हैं.
A fairly big gain for Piyush Goyal, who gets additional charge of the Mines Ministry besides power, coal and renewable energy portfolios that he already holds. He has, of course, promised to bring transparency to the sector and sees increased contribution by mining to the GDP in the next 1 to 2 years. He also did add in a conversation with my colleague Gaurang Sinha that the government will operationalize the new mining policy very quickly.
Honorable Minister Narendra Singh Tomar has done an outstanding job as Minister for Steel and Mines. He has really created a very transparent and robust mechanism for the allocation of mines in the country. I believe his good work has been well recognized in terms of his promotion to an even more important ministry. And my job would be more to carry forward the good work that he initiated, make sure that the whole sector grows at a fast pace.
Right.
And my own sense is with nearly 2.5% of the GDP being represented by this sector.
Right.
If we can target a growth of about 30 to 40% every year,
Yes.
in the next 2 years or so, I think we can add about 1% to India's GDP.
Piyush Goyal, definitely one of the big gainers of that cabinet reshuffle exercise. Meanwhile, newly appointed Environment Minister Anil Madhav Dave said that development and environment need to go together and not against each other. He's seen as a bit of an environmentalist, so his role as Environment Minister is going to be very critical. Corporate India will be keeping a close eye on that. Here he is in exclusive conversation with ET Now.
Anything to say about the future planning or activities? Certainly I will have to go through it. I will have to understand the subjects, department, and then I will be able to say something. So you will have to give some time for this and let me have a study, let me see, have a complete briefing, and then I will be able to say. But one thing is sure, that all the good activities done by the previous and done in last 2.5 years, they will automatically will continue.
How do you plan to balance the act of clearing projects and saving the environment at the same time, considering the environment background that you have with the Narmada project also?
Development and environment, they are both together. They are not against each other. So we will have to always look into this like this only. And as I said, that please give me some time and then I will be able to say something.
All right, the new Steel Minister Chaudhry Birendra Singh today assumed charge at a time when the sector is passing through a very stressful phase. Birendra Singh did say that he will focus on finding real problems in the steel industry, as cosmetic relief given till now may not be enough to revive the sector. Here he is in conversation with Sumit Chaturvedi.
For the last 4 or 5 years, industry is under stress, and there are a lot of reasons for that. So first I am to find out what are the real problems, because this cosmetic relief may not be that good for the industry as such. So I will have my time, and then I would be able to, when I get the clarity about the problems and which are the areas where things should be sorted out, then I would be able to let you know that this is how I want to move forward.
So industry is asking for a second package from the government side.
That is one thing which industry is asking. There is another set of industry, the same industry, where those who are vehemently opposing this. So that why they are opposing and why they are asking, let me find out.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.